Lately, I have been taking some time to reflect, asking myself important questions. Is this really what I want? Is this truly what my heart needs? What does my soul truly long for? The truth is, I would not be thinking this deeply without you. You have made me pause, slow down, and listen to the quiet voice inside me. The voice that sounds a lot like yours. I can feel your thoughts, your emotions, what you try to say to me, even from a distance. Today, I just want to say that I want your love to be my love. I want to savor every drop because you are like a river that nourishes everything you touch. Your presence is a blessing, and I want to be a part of that. I have seen the way you care for others, the kindness and compassion you show without hesitation. You don't realize the impact you have had on me. Sometimes I wondered how someone could change me so long, so much make me fall so deeply in love. Before you, I saw love as conditional, demanding, but with you, love feels pure and powerful. In your absence, I find myself longing for that love. There was a time when I cared only about money, success, and fame. Now my focus is you. My heart knows you are my destiny. I never thought I'd be the kind of person who talks about love, emotions, and feelings. Yet, here I am wanting a family, wanting love, wanting your love. You nurture me in a way no one else ever has. You have made me feel vulnerable, and yet I have never felt safer. Your grace, your calmness, your presence, they draw me in. I find myself pulled toward you like a magnet, unable to resist. You have restored my faith in love, and for that I am endlessly grateful. Thank you for being you. If you resonate with this message, subscribe for more heartfelt reflections. Thank you, dear soul family.